This video is for all of our subscribers that would like to travel but not pay full airfare. You see, this company is called Vacay, where they find you great offers directly from the airline company that you will deal with directly with the airlines. You can try this out for 30 days free. Then after that, it's only $25 a year. That's right, not a month, but $25 a year. And you can cancel anytime. Check out some of the destinations that you can go to. Also, check out some of the offers that they have made in the past, which you'll see in this video, that it's amazing if you're wanting a great deal. Now, we're not affiliated with this company at all. Basically, we don't make any money for talking about this company. What we're doing is because we felt that you all should know of other options out there for airfares. So just a reminder that one way to support our channel is by giving us a thumbs up to this video so the algorithm of YouTube can be able to share with others. And another way that you can support us is through our merchandise, which is in the description below. You will find Tree Link, where it has the different links for our merchandise that we provide. Thank you for your support and enjoy the rest of the video.